Welcome back. Today is going to be yet another lesson in adding and subtracting rational expressions. So, in this one, the key difference is notice the denominators. All right, so once again, they're different, which we experienced in the previous lesson. But there's another key thing to note, is this time also one of them factors. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this one. And again, that is a difference of squares pattern. Oh, but the idea is you need to factor that. All right. So now I want you to take a look. Okay. So this first one, there's nothing that the other fraction has. There's nothing that the 3 over x minus 2 has that that one does not have in the denominator. It already has the x minus 2 from the other piece. Now the thing to note, this one, this is the one that's missing something. It's missing this x plus 2. All right, so because it's missing the x plus 2, that's what you need to multiply by. So the thing to note in this lesson is when you factor it, now sometimes you're not going to have to multiply both fractions. Sometimes you only have to fix up the second one because you only have to be concerned with what it's missing to get the common denominator. The first fraction already has the complete thing. All right, it's the second one that needs a piece of it. So again, the key here, you don't have to mess with that first fraction at all. The first fraction is just going to stay 2x. And now we have that second fraction that's being multiplied at top and bottom by that x plus 2. And now I'm going to clean that up. So I get 5x plus 6. Then again, since the bottom is already in factored form, don't feel the need to even mess with it or anything. Just leave it as is. So this, in some respects, can be a little bit easier because now you're not messing with both fractions. You're only messing with one fraction because one of them already has the complete part. Well, let's take a look at this one. So again, if you notice that it can factor, I need you to do so. That first fraction, that is already complete. There's nothing that that 4 over x plus 2, there's nothing that it has that the first fraction needs. However, looking at the second fraction, it is missing that x plus 4 piece. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x plus 4 to give it that common denominator. Okay? So, again, the common denominator is just going to be that complete piece from the bottoms. The first fraction, we didn't change it. It stayed the same, so it's just going to give us the 3x. And now here, again, when you're subtracting, I want you to remember that 4 distributes the negative with it. So I am actually really distributing a negative 4 when I'm working across that distribution. So 3x minus 4x is a negative 1x minus 16. And now we have that along the bottom. And so that's actually it for this lesson. Again, not too difficult. You just have to remember, first of all, how to factor, and then that you're only completing the missing pieces. All right, that's all you have to look for is what is that second fraction missing from the first one. All right, so as always, thank you for joining me. Make sure you have all this written down and come and see me if you have any questions.